And as Christmas and New Year's approach, the governor is limiting social gatherings to just 10 people. News 3 reporter Nana Cynthia Bonsu has reaction to the new restrictions.
Catherine Moore is home from school for the holidays. She was looking forward to her annual New Year's trip with family.
I go with a couple of other families and we always rent a house out at the beach, but of course this year we're not doing it.
The governor's new restrictions tighten gatherings of people from 25 to 10. Moore says this doesn't surprise her.
Because so many restrictions have already been put in place.
The owner here at Southern Eats tells us it's not been easy keeping the doors open in a pandemic. She was looking forward to the busiest season of the year, but now with the governor's new restrictions, it's not looking too good.
We tend to book out with Christmas parties, holiday parties.
She was banking on the New Year's crowd to save the restaurant financially, but the midnight to 5 a.m. curfew makes it impossible.
That's one of the biggest parts of New Year's for people, is to go out and socialize and have a toast at midnight, and that can't happen now.
Nothing good happens after midnight.
Governor Ralph Northam believes this curfew will keep people in the house and stop the spread of COVID-19. Northam also says the health department will step up enforcement at businesses.
So we're calling them, we're telling them about the new requirements.
Julie Henderson is the director of Environmental Health Services. She says they are seeing an uptick of COVID-19 complaints.
When our complaints go up, then we start working harder, right? Because we're trying to respond to the public and the public's concerns.
The governor is also requiring that masks are worn inside restaurants now, even when you're at your table. Henderson says they are seeing outbreaks in restaurants.
And even when you're not actively eating and drinking, you're supposed to be wearing that mask.
Janelle Shanyo is calling on other restaurants to comply so businesses can stay alive.
But it scares us. It really scares us.
In Norfolk, Nana Cynthia Bonsu, News 3.